Kublai pibaro nakadurarshin kan rashlong ngapyang sabah pi saisian shakane ka program ka bawan cha pi malaga singu blai nak banta ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM bat ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM jang kateo ki long kabne ka State Bank of India ka panbana ka KHUBOR LAIT KAM mat ka khod application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kardan jing puli ban pandap ki post ki balait mat ki post ki long ka post assistant manager security analyst ar politely ki post करता का बबियांग का long life post nem कि applicant कि देबन long कि बला पंडप एक BE लने BTech हागा computer science लने computer application लने information technology लने electronics and communication लने electronics and instrumentation लने कि बला अपन apply कि दिरु कि candidate कि बला पंडप एक full time MSc computer science लने MSc IT लने MCA but don't come एक experience का arts nem ka post deputy manager security analyst san phawai tali ki post karta ka babiang ka long life sans nem ki applicant ki deban long ki bala pandap BE lani BTech ha ka computer science lani computer application lani information technology lani electronics and communication lani electronics and instrumentation lani ki bala aban apply ki deru ki candidate ki bala pandap ek full time MSc computer science and MSc IT lani MCA lamat ka experience ka sans nem ka post manager security analyst lightly ki post karta ka babiang ka long life pras nem ki applicant ki deban long ki bala pandap BE lani BTech ha ka computer science lani information technology lani electronics and communication lani electronics and instrumentation lani ki bala ban apply ki diru ki candidate ki bala pandap ek full time MSc computer science lani MSc IT lani MCA ki applicant ki diru ban long ki badane ka experience bom dunai ka news nem ka post assistant general manager ki ba apply ki deban long ki badan hapo ka sapo arts nem ki applicant ki deban long ki bala pandap BE lani BTech ha ka computer science and electronics and communication lani information technology lani cyber security lani ki candidate ki bala pandap ek MCA lani MSc computer science and MSc IT lani MTech ha cyber security lani information security ru ki laban apply ka posting na kabanta baro ki post po ka SBI State Bank of India kan long ha Mumbai but han Navi Mumbai on priang tangi ka online registration ki applicant baro kan haban siwe ka application fee but ka application fee ka shong dor news ba san poting ka tanki SC ST PWBD kim don ka ban siwe ka application fee mentip company pule ka official notification but apply online let you go online portal application recruitment.bank.sbi but tarek khat do bank ka application wo pura ka long ha south trek leber march 8000 nakabanta ka jing pantri kam jang ka Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana but mega health insurance scheme ka state nodal agency Meghalaya Shillong ka khod walk-in interview na ki candidate man pandap ya ka post ka balat but ka post ka long ka post medical officer ka we ka posting ka lang ha office of the executive officer state nodal agency MHIS Shillong ki applicant ki deban long ki bala pandap ya ka MS lani MD lani DIP lani MBBS lani BDS na ki recognized university lani institution ki applicant ki dedu ban long ki badane ka experience na ki hospitals lani health insurance ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kardan jing puli kin haban one mi ka walk-in interview ka ban sa long ha ka santrik leber march arja arpusaw on pelong ka interview ha office of the chief executive officer state nodal agency mega health insurance scheme department of health and family welfare government of Meghalaya health complex Red Hill Road Lime Crush long pin code New Kandai Lai not lie on sedang ka interview ka por kat wasting step bala kat padi ki applicant barob kit poy ka por bala bo lambar ki original ma ki self attested photocopy jang ki slack badan kam ka office jang district rural development agency DRDA Rupai district ka panbana ka KHUBOR LAIT KAM bal ka khod application na ki candidate ki badan ka mon ba ka kardan jing puli ban pandap Iki post support ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme and Cluster Facilitation Project hapo ka MGNRAGA ki post kilong ka post accountant MGNRAGA kawe ka post kerta ka babiang kalong lai punyaw snem ka jingyo kalong kat prahajar shibnai ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pendap ka graduation kanu stream lamat ka jingnang jingtip hakikam computer but ki applicant ki dedu ben long ki bedane ka experience bom donai ka lai snem ka post block GIS expert MGNRAGA kawe ka post kerta ka babiang kalong lai punyaw snem ka jingyo kalong arpo hajar shibnai ki applicant ki deben long Kibala pendap ika MTech lani MSc haka Geographic Information Science lani Information Technology lani Remote Sensing and GIS lani Geospatial Technology lani Geospatial Informatics lani Geospatial Science lani Surveying and Geoinformatics lani ki applicant kibala pendap ika BE lani BTech lambat ka PG Diploma haka Geographic Information Science lani Remote Sensing lani ki recognized university ru kila ban apply lani ki candidate ki bala pendap ike MCA lambat ka PG Diploma haka Geographic Information Science and Remote Sensing na ki recognized university lani institute ru ki laban apply lani ki no ki applicant lani ki candidate ki bala pendap ike post graduation haka Science and Agriculture Science lambat ka PG Diploma haka Geographic Information Science and Remote Sensing ru ki laban apply ki applicant jang post GIS expert ki ban long ki badane ka experience bom dunai ka system ka bakun thop ka experience ka bahnriu banai na ki GIS based project kum ki government funded organization ne ki NIRD lani PR lani NRSC lani SRAC lani ki way ka post block livelihood a green and light expert MGNRAGA South Ligi post karta ka babiang ka long lai punyaw snem ka jingyo ka long arpo hajar shibnai ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pendap eka masters in agriculture economics lani horticulture lani agroforestry lani forestry dan kamro eka experience bom dunai ka shisnem ka post block NRM expert CFP MGNRAGA kawe ka post ki candidate ki badan hapo kalai punyo snem ki laman apply ka jingyo shibnai ka long arpo hajar Kiba apply ki deben long ki bala pendap ya ka BTech haka civil engineering lani agricultural engineering lani diploma haka civil engineering but kumjuro don kami ke experience ka bashi snem sheneng ka post block technical expert ka we ka post kerta ka babiang ka long lai punyo snem ka jingyo ka long arpo hajar shibnai ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pendap ya ka civil engineering they ki recognized institution and university ki applicant jang ka block technical assistant ki ban long ki badane ka experience pamdunai ka license ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka dan jing puli kin haban apply ha ka standard application form lambat ka biodata ki self attested photocopy jing ki slide ki badan kam but south li do passport size ya ka application ko pura ban poiling ba ka email shi ka ID drda-rb-mac@nic.in bat ka tarik khaddo unprangi ka application ka long haka arpun rutek rampang February araja arpusaw ka badela shay kasngi. Kamiglai State Rural Livelihood Society MSRLS ka khod application nagi candidate ki badana ka mon baga ka danjing puli pendap iki post ki balak ki post ki long ka post project manager financial inclusion ka we ka posting ka long hashalong ka jingyo ka long sapun rioja praspa tingka shibnai Kiba apply ki deben long ki bala pendap eka PG degree lani diploma haka business management finance lani ki candidate ki bala pendap eka jing puli haka commerce lani science lamat ka subject mathematics kum kawe ni ki subjects ru ki la ban apply ka post project manager social inclusion and social development kawe ka posting ka long hashalong ka jingyo ka long sapun ri hoja praspa thinga shibnai Kiba apply ki deben long ki bala pendap ya ka post graduation ya ka social development lani RDAP lani social work lani kino ki bala pendap ya ka degree ya ka social work ru ki laban apply ka post project manager capacity building ka we ka posting ka long nang ba shlong ka jingyo long sapun 2000 praspa tingka shibnai ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pendap ya ka post graduate degree haka rural development lani RDAP lani social work Tadi ki bala ban apply ki diduk ki candidate ki bala pendep ki degree ha ka social work. Ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kadan jing puli kin hab ban apply online link ba ka direct online portal link. Ketarik khadu un bringing ka application wa pura ka long hakarap kundai trik rumpang February aja arpusau. Ka IDBI bank ka penbenai ka KHUBOR LAIT KAM ka kod application na ki candidate pendap ka post ka balai pat ka post ka long ka post junior assistant manager grade O sanspa atligi post arspa light ligi post long unreserved san na ka ki SC lai punyo nang benda ki ST san po na ka ki ES bat chispa lai pusan ligi post na ka ki OBC kertak babyang hapo ka lai puitrik klaling ko January araja arpsau kalong hapdeng ka arpo bat arpusan snem tang ki bakha hapdeng ka lai puitrik klaling ko January jong snem khat khandai pat lai puitrik klaling ko January jong snem arhajar saw ki la ban apply kerta penjalan ke belai snem on priang na ki OBC san snem na ki SC bat ST bat shi post snem na ki PWD candidate ki applicant ki ban long ki bala pendep graduation na ki recognized university la ni institution ki applicant ki ban long ki benang ha ki KAM computer badro ki benang ha ki tin local ki applicant baro can have an apply online link ka online recruitment portal jang ka IDBI bank ki applicant can have roban siu ka application fee ka bashang do 6000 tingka batang aspa tingka na ka bantai ki SC ST bat PWD ketarik khadu ban register online ka long hadu ka arpun ritrik rumpang February aja arpsau betip khamnya puli ka official notification Ka Indian Coast Guard ka penbenai ka KHUBOR LAIT KAM ka kod application tang na ki candidate chenrang ki badane ka mon ba ka kadan jing puli ban pendap e ka post ha Indian Coast Guard ka badai ka Armed Force jong ka Union ka post Indian Coast Guard Navig General Duty as pa an report le ki post region and zone wise ki long North Nyopo khandai le ki post West Hendripun le ki post Northeast Hendripu Prat Ligi Post, East Lipolite Ligi Post, Northwest Karat Ligi Post, but Andaman and Nicobar Light Ligi Post. Ki candidate ki deban long ki bala pass 10+2, lamat ka maths and physics kum ki subjects, na ki education board bala recognize ta ka board of school education. Kertak bobyang ka long hapadeng ka khat prabat arpo arts nem, tang ki candidate ki bakha hapadeng ka shitrik nailur September, Araja R but lai poitrik nailar August araja nriu ki laban apply. Kerta penjalan kan long tang na kabentai ki SC but ST but OBC tang la don ki post ki belong reserve. On pedang ka online application ki candidate kan have ban ledge ka website www.joinindiancoastguard.sta.in ki applicant kan have ban siu ye ka application fee ka basyong dor lai spot ting ka batang ki SC ST ki ban ka man siu ka application fee. Ketarik khadu prangi ka application bu pura ka long haka arpunyo trik rumpang February araja arpusau ka North Eastern Council Secretariat NEC ka penbenai ka KHUBOR LAIT KAM mar ka kod application na ki candidate un pendap ki post apo contract basis mar ki post kilong ka post junior consultant ka lightly ki post ka post finance lightly ki post ka post tourism and industries artli ki post Science and Technology, ka post, Planning, Artligi post, ka post Human Resource Development and Employment, Artligi post, ka post IFC and WM, ka post, TNC, ka post, but ka post Green Allied, Artligi post. Ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kadan jing puli kan haban download ka application form na ka NEC website. Yeka application wa pura lembat ka biodata pan poich director admin kamra number South Pasan NEC Secretariat Nongram Hills Shillong pin code Nyo Khandai Lai non Lai Megalaya par ka tarik khadu prange ka application ka long shwala ni ha ka arpan rewtrik rampang February arja arpusau mentip kambanya let ka website www.necouncil.gov.in Parlok nong pet kito kilong ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM hangane kapor bat nga kermen benun raisha pe ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM hangane katayo ka bansawan ya menta nakadurar sin kamera shlong ai ko pili phi ka tayo ko bahai phi bara